QR codes, they're literally everywhere, right? On menus, business cards, posters, we just scan them without even thinking about it. But what if that simple little black and white square could be doing so much more for your business? Today, we're going to dig into their hidden potential.
Because for most businesses, that standard QR code is frankly a huge missed opportunity. Yeah, it's a tool that works, but it's just sitting there. It's not doing anything to grab attention, build up your brand, or actually get people engaged. It's just a link. So first, let's talk about the one we all know and see every day. The ordinary QR code.
And that's really the heart of the problem, isn't it? It's functional, sure, but it's completely forgettable. It does absolutely nothing to make your brand stand out or even nudge a customer to pull out their phone and scan it. In a world where every single detail in marketing counts, this is basically a blank space that could be a really powerful asset.
Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Let's talk about a powerful upgrade, how we can turn this simple utility into a real marketing tool.
Let's be honest, capturing attention is the name of the game. Your customers are just bombarded with messages and visuals all day, every day. So how do you make your call to action, your little QR code, the one they actually stop and notice? Get this, 80%. According to Laris Design, just by adding a custom designer frame around a QR code, you can boost scan rates by up to 80%. That is not a small change. That's a game changer, a monumental shift in engagement.
And that's the transformation in a nutshell. You're taking something that was basically invisible and turning it into a magnet for your customers. It stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like an invitation, an engaging part of your brand story.
So, how can you actually do this? Well, let's look at one company's tiered approach as an example, the Multics frame options. So, this approach kind of builds on itself across 3 tiers. You can start with something like an entry-level advocate plan, where a business gets a standard frame but has a simple upgrade option. The next step up, a Go plan, gives you a frame that's already tailored to your specific industry. And then at the top tier, a Tribe service gives you a fully custom designer frame, making it a totally unique piece of your brand from day one. Okay, so a prettier QR code is nice, but what's the real business impact here? I mean, this is about way more than just looks. It's about strategy.
A really well-designed frame gives you a few key advantages. For one, it builds trust. I mean, a polished, branded code just feels more legit and secure than some random generic one, right? It's also constantly reinforcing your brand identity. But here's the crucial part. By adding a clear call to action, something like scan for 20% off, you're guiding the customer, inspiring them to act right now, and turning a simple moment of curiosity into a real, measurable result for your business.
Ultimately, it all just boils down to this one simple idea. Transform your QR codes into powerful marketing tools that convert curiosity into measurable business results. That says it all.
And that really brings us to the final thought I want to leave you with. Take a second and think about your own business. Think about the QR codes on your tables, your flyers, your window. Are they just sitting there, functional but totally forgettable? Or are they actively working for you, capturing attention, building your brand, and driving your business forward? Is your QR code really working for you?